Hello, in this screencast I'm going to show you how to generate Excel data source from SAP and then use it to generate simple report in Tableau BI application. We are in this template code and we have here two tables. Let's look at the template. As we can see, we have here one table. This is the booking table, and the other one is the schedule table. Let's close it. And I've already generated the Excel file by using this program on the background, because it's have to run about 2 to 3 minutes, so we will not run it now. We'll take the generated Excel. As we can see here, we have the first table, the booking table, and it contains about 100,000 rows, and the second one is the schedule table, that we are using both tables in the same Excel as a data source for Tableau BI. Let's open Tableau desktop and import the file. We'll import this file that we have just shown, and as we can see, we don't have here, it doesn't show the tables itself. There's another version, but you use it with the sheet data. So we take the first sheet and the second sheet, and as we can see, it's automatically connected them via the flight number. The flight number data. So now we are going to generate. We are now going to generate the report itself. As we can see here, we have the measures, the amount. The amount is a sum of money that is spent on the flight tickets. So we are going to move it to rows. And now we want to take some measures for the columns, and we go from country from, and then we have depart city and to country to, and then we have the target city. As we can see it, for example, we see under the, which is Germany, we can see that from country Germany to US, the part city is Frankfurt to JFK, and we see the amount of about 12 million. So we are not count here if it's dollars or another currency. So this is just a simple report to show how to use Excel as a data source in Tableau. Let's look at this one. If you can see, we check another component, so we see it in another way. What I like about Tableau is that it let us create reports very easily when you understand the data. So the problem itself is to connect the data to SAP. As we can see here, we can connect it via Excel, which is the ultimate data source for applications like Tableau or PowerBI of Microsoft. So this is much more accurate to see data like this. And if we go back to, I think it was this one, okay, another view. So we can see the higher amount using the attributes of country from, city from, and country to, and city to. So we can see, for example, this one, as we said before. Now maybe we go to US itself, US. So you can see that from US to Germany, or exactly from the part city New York to Frankfurt, it takes about 979,000. So we can also bring here the currency code or include it to groups using a currency code or other data. Of course, we can always put here some parameters or using filters. For example, if I want to filter the country, I choose only this one. For example, I will choose only Deutschland and United States, and we see other data. We go back to the original one, and we take all the depths. Now, for example, I can use, I want to use a parameter. For example, it's the class. Class is like the regular class or the higher class, first class. So let's try and use this one. Okay, I will not use it in here, but as you can see, we can always add some parameters. We can use the filters. For example, filter of this city. It brings me all the data of the cities, okay, of the airport cities, and of course I can use it to filter. I can use it to set parameters or any other data manipulation I like. This is for today. Thank you very much for watching.